Today we're going to show you how to fix a loose piece on your Berber Inlay Logo Mat.
So this is Nick here with Berber Mats. So today what we wanted to show you is when we sell our Berber Inlay mats, some of the pieces that are cut out after shipping will sometimes the glue will come undone and the pieces will be a little bit loose. All you need to do in that case is there's nothing wrong with the mat. It is how they're made. Each of these pieces are all cut out individually and glued together onto a rubber backing. So you can take an ice pick if you have some that are loose. You know, most of the time they are in there really well. Most all the time, but every once in a while you'll have some that do come apart. So all you need to do is peel that up, take some super glue and just put a little bit down, not too much, and then you just press it down and hold it for about 15 seconds and the problem is solved. So during shipping, they're rolled up. These pieces are a very stiff material, so it's very tough for small pieces to roll up tight, and sometimes with the heat of the trucks that they're shipped in and just the tightness that they're wound, they will come undone. Again, nothing wrong with the mat at all, but that's all you need to do. And then that will, because once you lay these mats down, you're not picking and rolling them up that often. So, and now that will stay down just like the rest of them. Most all these other pieces are all glued, super glued down. So if some happen to pop up, that's all you need to do to fix it. Again, we stand behind all of our products here at Berber Mats, and we will make sure that you're completely 100% satisfied.